With the Employee Payment Spreadsheet, control of positions and salaries, it will be possible to have better management of the financial control over employees, being able to register all employees and have information on the number of employees per position, or even updating after a benefit or promotion for a particular employee, thus allowing you to have greater long-term control over your collaborators. This spreadsheet contains graph of number of employees by area, chart with salaries and benefits per month, amount of salaries per month graph, job registration, position group registration, company area registration, contract type register, worksheet for cost analysis over 6 years, promotion registration, dynamically applying to salary, employee data report by year selection, financial data report, specific employee promotions report. This was our Planilla customizable register. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.